BURU stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short and brief 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Especially now, Nuburu, you know, it's 41 cents, and guess what? I have a line pointing towards the downside. What the hell does this mean? As the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made, and guess what? It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and I literally have a track record of 41,000 videos on my YouTube channel. I've seen what's working for me, what's not, especially now. With these pumps and dumps, most of the times this just dumps. I'm not saying that this is going to dump though. You know, what I'm saying is that if I do see it dumping a bit, it gives me the confirmation that I'm just going to get involved to get most of the dumping, you know, most of the bleeding, to just make money on it. And guess what? This is about to be deleted if I see double breaks above 50 cents, because it can indicate bullish delivery, and then we can jump in on the bullish bandwagon. What I'm not sticking to is just one thing and just being closed-minded. No, I do have previous receipts with BURU in my Discord, so I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.